Hey guys, it's Laura. In today's video, we are going to be talking about facial rollers. Alright guys, so I have two rollers here for you. One is going to be a rose quartz, and the other is going to be a jade roller, which also came with this kind of jade pin. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the jade roller because this one is suggested to use in the morning. It's supposed to wake you up, kind of refresh you, but let's break this use down. So for this jade roller and this, what do you call this, a wand, it's going to come as a pack at Ulta for $14.99. Now some of the goals or benefits from this are going to include, it's going to promote circulation, it's going to reduce inflammation, increase collagen production, soothe muscles, increase product absorption, relieve stress, help with breakouts, relieve sinus pressure, and some even say help with wrinkles. Now as far as these go, I will say of this kit, I prefer the roller, especially this wand I really don't care for because I feel like you're gonna have to tap. If you try and do this motion with it, it doesn't roll. I think the better design would have been to have this as like a roller ball, because this one is going to give you that sliding motion, where this one you're either going to be tugging or you're going to be pouncing, which under your eye could be a little too harsh. So this one I really don't tend to use very much. This one is cooling and again refreshing. It's just nice to sit there and kind of roll it across your face. It's calming. It does help de-stress a little. I mean, this is going to be something that you have to try on your own to see how you really feel about it. I'm going to also insert a picture here, try and get you a picture of the way that they suggest that you use these rollers. But basically you're going to want to roll in the direction of your lymph nodes. So if you're going up the nose, you're going to want to go up, and then on your forehead you're going to want to bring those down on either side. Where our laugh lines are, you're going to go up and out towards the ear. And then for the cheeks, again, you're going to want to go from the inside of the face to the outside of the face, all the way down to the jawline. Now, when it comes to the neck, I've seen multiple diagrams do it different ways. I've seen them go up, I've seen them go down, I've even seen them start from the middle and go back. I tend to do both. I tend to do down and up. Now for the jade roller cleaning, you're going to want to put just a little bit of water on like a cotton ball or a damp cloth, not very much at all, and just wipe that over the stone itself. You don't want to submerge this or wet the whole tool. Now let's switch over to the rose quartz. This one looks very similar, but our stones are going to be different. Now this rose quartz roller is suggested to use at night as part of your night routine to kind of calm the skin and get you in that more relaxed state. Now this rose quartz one from Pacifica at Ulta was $19.99. There was also an Ulta brand, but again, it was only like $1 difference. Now the rose quartz stone is said to have minerals that are good for your skin, so I'll go over those for you real quick. The minerals that are in this one are silica, magnesium, iron, and sodium. The rose quartz roller is supposed to help with cell renewal. It's supposed to help with uneven or dull skin, the elasticity of your skin, reduce pore size, lymphatic drainage, again that's why we're trying to roll in certain directions. It's supposed to reduce puffiness, improve circulation, tighten, and again eliminate wrinkles. It will also eliminate toxins. With the rose quartz, it seems to be a little bit more delicate than the jade. You're not going to want to submerge this one or use water. According to the Pacifica packaging, you're going to want to use a damp towelette. And again, make sure it's only on the crystal itself. So have you made facial rollers a part of your morning or nighttime routine? Let me know the results and how you thought they worked for you. Thank you for watching. If you are here at the end of this, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you can see all future videos. Feel free to go back and watch old videos. Hit the like button if you like this one. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time.